Arrive in style with this 2006 Honda Odyssey XL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, ABS, front-wheel drive, sun-moon roof, rear head airbag, third-row seat, and driver vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.